going on, guys? YouTube fam. Well, it's been a while since we made a video and since I've shown this car, but there's a couple of changes we've done to this car. Now this thing is rolling on some TEs, machine led with a silver face, and if you can notice, I have a turbo, and this turbo kit was done here at my boys at Kinetic Motorsports. Shout out to them. They did this whole turbo kit, intercooler, everything for me. The car's already been tuned on wastegate, 4 psi, 6 psi. On 4 psi it made 443, and on 6 psi it made 538. 533, it was 538, somewhere around there. But we're here today because we're going to turn it up. We're going to see what it makes. We're going to turn it up to 9, 10 psi. And we're going to see if we can make 600 out of this thing today. It's a little warm today, but we'll see. The car is going to be tuned by me. G2 Performance for the win. We'll get this thing loaded up on a dyno and see what it makes. Alright guys, so we finished getting the car off the dyno. She officially made 597 on 9 psi. I want to give a big shout out to Kinetic Motorsports, especially Josh, my guy over here. He made that turbo kit for me, dropped it off, gave him the idea of what I wanted, and he definitely made it happen for me. So big shout out to them. Next thing we're doing is we're going to do a built engine, and we're going to try to push for 900. That's the goal next for this car. We're going to be breaking a lot of axle and transmissions, but it is what it is.